What you're looking at is not egusi soup, but sesame seed soup. If you tell the women at the market that you want to buy sesame seeds, they may not know what you're talking about. In my understanding, it is commonly known as Beniseed in Lagos market. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This soup has so many different names that I found on IG. Some call it ESA. In the north, it is called Ridi. If you know this soup, please tell me what you call it in your place in the comments. Here's what sesame seeds look like. Sesame seeds may look very tiny, but the nutritional benefits are quite a lot. And by adding these seeds to your diet, you can enjoy a range of health benefits, including improved heart, skin, hair, and bone health. For some extra flavor, I'll blend the seeds with some Ehuru and Uziza seeds. I will also put a list of everything I used in the description box so you can check it. You will find these seeds mostly with the Igbo women who sell soup condiments at the open market. So if you're wondering if it's readily available, yes it is. A cup is sold for 500 naira, about the same price with egusi. Once I'm done blending the sesame seeds, I will blend the peppers. Here I have red and yellow scotch bonnets, onions, bawa and tatashe. If you're enjoying this video and it reminds you of home, please hit the like button and leave me a nice comment. This will help other people see the video as well and also grow the channel. Thank you so much. Now done with all things blending, it's time to start cooking. I'm starting with some palm oil. I'm just going to heat this up lightly and add ehuru and onions. Just treat these the same way you would treat your egusi. Once I fry that for a bit, it's time to add the peppers which I blended early on. I will cover this to cook till the pepper mix is well fried, and now this looks good. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. There's so much more delicious recipes that I want to share with you. At this time, I added my cooked beef, ponmo, and some smoked fish. Going in with some beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, you can just use water, but make sure to season your soup base. I didn't bother to do that because my beef stock is tasty already. I also used some of the beef stock to mix the sesame seeds that's been blended into a thick paste. I'm now going to add this paste in bits in the soup base, the same way with egusi. It is very easy to prepare. You can also toast the seed before blending. I just decided not to toast mine. Now that the sesame seed paste is in, I'm going to cover and cook for some 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, and this is looking so good. And if you're concerned about whether or not you would like it on its own, you can start by blending a bit of it with your melon for egusi soup. At this time, I tasted and felt you could use a bit more stock cube and salt. I added that. I also added some ugu leaves and some ground crayfish. We stir that in and allow it to cook for some 3 minutes. Now, if you've watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed or you have not liked, I don't know why you're holding that back, but I need that. This channel needs that to grow. So please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. I bet you can tell at this point that food is ready. Choose whatever swallow you want to pair with this and you will thoroughly enjoy it. However, sesame seeds have a slightly bitter taste, very slight, but it's nothing to worry about. It's almost not noticeable. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and we'll give it a try. Please let me know how that goes when you do. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I will see you with another fantastic recipe soon. Take care and bye-bye.